ChatGPT versus Claude. How the leading AI assistants stack up. Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to dive into a comparison between two of the most impressive AI chatbots out there right now, ChatGPT and Claude AI. Both have been making headlines, but they have some key differences under the hood. I'm going to break down how these leading AI assistants stack up across different categories so you can get a sense of their capabilities and limitations. Let's get started. Conversational abilities. First up is conversational abilities. Both ChatGPT and Claude can understand natural language and respond to open-ended prompts and questions. However, Claude seems more adept at having coherent, in-depth back-and-forth dialogues over an extended period. With ChatGPT, conversations often deteriorate after 5-6 exchanges as responses become repetitive and lose context. Claude can maintain context over dozens of exchanges and appears to have better reasoning skills and knowledge of its own limits. To demonstrate, let's have some sample conversations with both. Overall, Claude results in more stable, consistent dialogues at length. Training data and methods. ChatGPT was trained by scraping gigantic amounts of text data from the internet. This optimized its model for engagement above all else. Claude was trained on high-quality curated datasets with a focus on safety, truthfulness, and avoiding false information. This translates into more prudent responses from Claude grounded in facts over satisfying users. Let's compare some prompts related to controversial topics. Memory and context. Another advantage of Claude is its contextual memory. Unlike ChatGPT, which treats each prompt in isolation, Claude can refer back to previous conversations and maintain consistency. Let's walk through an extended dialogue with each to show how ChatGPT eventually contradicts itself once it loses track of context. Claude's memory capability marks a major evolution toward more natural, human-like conversations. Safety and ethics. Given AI's potential for harm, safety and ethics are crucial considerations. Claude was specifically designed to avoid dangerous, unethical, false or biased responses. ChatGPT does not have similar safeguards, which has led to concerning examples of it generating harmful instructions, promoting falsehoods, and exhibiting bias. Reasoning and judgment. Both AIs exhibit impressive reasoning skills. However, Claude seems to have more discretion when it comes to hypotheticals, admitting knowledge gaps, and declining unreasonable requests. Rather than trying to continue conversations beyond its capabilities, Claude exercises reasonable judgment to avoid responses that could be irresponsible or unhelpful, even if they satisfy the user's prompt. Technical foundations. Under the hood, Claude utilizes a new technique called conversational AI that helps make its responses more ethical and stable over time. ChatGPT relies on different architecture that hyper-optimizes for engagement. Conversational AI references human values and common sense to ground its judgments. This results in Claude resisting temptation to produce unethical or dangerous outputs even if they fulfill the prompt. The verdict. In summary, while both AIs are highly impressive, Claude appears to represent a safer, more advanced conversational agent, especially when it comes to coherence, reasoning ability, consistency, and responsible refusal of unethical actions. No chatbot is perfect, but Claude points toward a future of AI that synergizes creativity with wisdom, fulfilling human values rather than undermining them. Exciting times ahead. I hope this breakdown of how the leading AI assistants compare has been insightful. Let me know which one you find more capable and why in the comments. And be sure to subscribe for more AI tech explainers.